How to connect Wix to Godaddy domain. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's say you have purchased a Godaddy domain and you want to use that Godaddy domain to one of your websites. So simply open one of your websites in Wix, open their dashboard, and navigate to the section where you will be able to connect our domain. So as of now, we're just utilizing the subdomain of our Wix. So over here, as you can see, in the option under set up your store, we're simply going to click on connect a domain over here. And in this section, we're going to enter the domain that we have purchased. So if we go to our products over here, we should be able to check out what kind of domain or what our domain is right now. And we're just simply going to easily copy and paste it. As you can see here, copy this, paste it over here, and click on let's go. And there will be a series of steps that would allow us to proceed. You're just going to follow the steps that are going to be provided over here, as you can see. So simply click on yes, I own this domain, and the process would be automatic. But as of now, as you can see, if you want to connect it, and if you're using a free Wix account, you would need to upgrade to a premium feature to be able to utilize the connection to a custom domain. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.